Introducing the 2026 Ford Maverick XL all-wheel drive, a versatile and capable pickup designed for modern life. This Oxford white truck is powered by the proven 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, paired with an efficient automatic transmission, ensuring you have the performance you need for any task. Inside, you will find a sophisticated Black Onyx Dark Slate interior that balances durability with style. This Maverick is equipped with essential features like a spray-in bedliner and bright LED headlamps to light your way. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Imagine heading out for a weekend at Stave Falls, where the all-wheel drive system and selectable drive modes provide the confidence to handle changing road conditions with ease. The Maverick XL is built for utility, featuring a black mesh grille and functional black door handles that complement its clean Oxford white finish. The cargo bed is ready for work or play, featuring a factory-installed spray-in bedliner for added protection and convenient bed tie-downs to keep your gear secure. For added security, the removable tailgate comes with a built-in lock. The cabin is a hub of modern technology, centered around a massive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen and an 8-inch productivity screen that keeps all your essential vehicle information front and center. Staying connected is simple with both USB-A and USB-C ports, along with strategically placed power points throughout the interior. The driver's experience is enhanced by a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, a rotary gear shift dial, and power windows and locks. For those messy adventures, this truck includes floor liners without carpeted mats, making cleanup a breeze after a day on the trails. Safety is a priority in the 2026 Maverick. You are protected by the safety canopy airbag system and the latch child restraint system. Standard driver assist technologies include pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera for easier parking, and auto high beams that adjust to oncoming traffic. The SecureLock anti-theft system and tire pressure monitoring provide additional peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel.
One common question people ask is, what makes the interior of the Maverick so practical for everyday use? Beyond the comfortable cloth bench seating, the second row features a clever flip-up bench with under-seat storage. This allows you to keep tools, sports equipment, or groceries tucked away and out of sight, maximizing the utility of the cabin space without sacrificing passenger comfort. Whether you are commuting through the valley or exploring local backroads, the Maverick XL all-wheel drive delivers a smart combination of technology and capability. From the easy fuel capless filler to the cruise control for long highway stretches, every detail is designed to make your drive more convenient. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.